What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Hope everybody's doing really good. We got a small installation to do today, but after that I think we're gonna actually get you guys off-road with me for the first time, and I'm gonna give you a little update on our maiden voyage to Colorado. So let's get at it. All right, so on the agenda for today is gonna be some quick disconnect sway bar links. Still stock suspension, so all I'm looking to get is a little bit more articulation and some off-road ride comfort, just because that sway bar bounces you around really bad when the suspension is trying to articulate. So I'm not going to bore you with the actual installation, and this is what's going in. Some adjustable quick disconnects from Lucky 8. So I'm going to get these things in. I'll see you guys after. All right, there we are. Shiny new sway bar links. So they took a little bit of adjustment to get down to like the stock length, which really only came within like 1/4 of an inch of the stock length, but not a problem. Now just to go test out their road manners and off-road manners. Morning, everyone. We're headed to Santa Ysabel Truck Trail. So Santa Ysabel is a small trail up near Julian. It's a rather simple trail, only rated a 3, but it's enough to test the flex on the wheels, I hope. It's not much for a day trip. If you're up here, it's a very short trail, and you're going to spend about 3 hours. It's about an hour away from us, so it's about a 3-hour trip for us. But if you're up in the area and you get a chance to get down to Julian, it's actually a pretty good day trip. There's a wolf sanctuary up here. There is the San Diego Archaeological Center that is a good place to visit, and the pie in Julian is unbelievable, so that's highly recommended. So yeah, that was not very successful. We're gonna go ahead and head down the trail a little bit, hit some other different types of terrain, and get you some before action, and then we'll go ahead and disconnect the links and get some after action. That one on the way back.
basically what you can do is when you're
What's
talking about this, you know,
Yeah.
with this, you can tell them that it's on a gyroscope, and you can still see how bumpy that jiggle factor. Turn off.
Good.
And remember, this being deeper.
Well, this isn't it.
No, this isn't.
Oh, it's good enough. No, I'm not going to be able to back in far enough. Seems like it should be. I think I'm gonna go back to it and make it work. I can make it work. I can turn around.
Okay, could you just make sure you're going back to it and not off a ledge?
Yeah.
Love.
What? I'm going just fine. I'm just trying to get away from the wall here.
Yeah, but you're running into the bush.
Oh. All right, just disconnected sway bars. Let's see how it feels. We're headed back.
I feel like the FJF has dropped.
You feel like what?
The FJF has dropped. That jiggle factor.
Oh, the fat jiggle factor
has reduced.
Awesome. Yeah, I definitely feel like it's decreased. And this is just the front disconnected. This isn't the back. So but it definitely feels more comfortable. And mind you too, this is also with my tires fully inflated. We had 30 in the front and 38 in the rear. So we're not exactly hitting rocks on soft tires. It is night and day in the front. Like every time the front hits something, it's so much more comfortable. And then you hit that same obstacle in the back and it snaps your spine. Definitely worth the money, and definitely worth throwing in the rears before I do the lift. So much less strenuous. so we're just about back to where we started, the trailhead. Definitely before heading out, we are gonna go ahead and try that little hill climb again at an angle and see if we can pull it off this time. Oh, totally different feel. Totally different feel. Man, totally different. Totally different. That was cake. Oh man. That was cake. No wheel slip, no nothing.
Nope.
Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and wait. We'll go ahead and hook the sway bars back up when we get back to even ground. All right, so we are back to civilization, and the sway bar is reconnected. Really impressed. Shout out to Lucky 8. Really impressed with the product. I will be ordering the rears as soon as I get home because it's just a massive improvement over what we did. About 3 or 4 weeks back, we came out here just to sort of give the truck a off-road test and just beat you up. Just beat you up, and just a night and day difference. So that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys for coming by. Before I sign off, I just want to give a shout out to RAM Offroad Park in Colorado. About a month back, after getting so many things fixed on the truck, decided to take it for its maiden voyage to Colorado to see family. And we passed through Utah, passed by Moab. Just a beautiful drive, absolutely beautiful drive. The canyons are absolutely amazing. And we got an Airbnb out there in the mountains, and it was just a great trip. Got to see some of the locals hanging out. But again, shout out to RAM Offroad Park in Colorado Springs. It allowed me to see what this truck was about, to see what it was capable of in its stock form. Didn't really beat it up too much. You can see it's mostly just ups and downs, and up and down hills, and nothing too off camber. But also I had to drive it home, 1,500 miles, so I didn't want to break anything. But great park. If you guys are out there in Colorado Springs, if you're from California, if you're out there in Colorado, lucky you. But if you're passing by, definitely give RAM a look at and enjoy. You guys take it easy. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Look at that. Land Rover commercial.